Hello friends, welcome all to Engineers Power. This is basically an intro video to the launch of our new channel named as Engineers Power. So guys, open your mind to start learning new things. In this video, you will get to know about what kind of content you will find in this channel. So please have a look in our further slides. In this channel, you will get videos on engineering tutorials, interview questions and answers, career guidance, jobs, exam preparation, web designing, blogging, digital marketing, graphic designing, programming languages, make money online, motivation, and many more. This channel will help you all to excel in your career and provide you the knowledge in all dimensions, which will be very helpful to add another feathers on your success cap. So please have your first step towards success. Start investing on yourself, because if you don't invest on yourself, then how can you expect anyone to invest upon you? Skills leads to massive success. Opportunities come seldom. You are the only one to grab it before it disappears. So do subscribe this channel and press the bell notification button to watch our new videos, to learn something new. Subscribe now. Keep learning always new and new things. Thank you so much, and visit our website engineerspower.com.